So we're going to react to some Pinterest green sculptures, and we're gonna start with those two dolphins. I really liked it because we see that the real life really plays, like the 3D is really well done here. We see that there's a different vibe into this sculpture since it's all green and it's like it's out of the world. It's really fantasy like. We see that it's like it's around a garden or something. Just like I said in the episode, we can see them often in gardens, as but I think it was the principal thing that I said. But as I said, there are many possibilities of places that you can see them. But as you can see, the relief is really cool. In fact, if it's a small one and a bigger one, really plays with how you look at this, because you see that the small one is like less view-like, as I've in the dolphin here is really cool at looking at how it is. Those elephants are pretty cool. We see the heights, as I said, we see another heights difference. In the heights differences really make the art really cool because we can see that over here it is very well worked, and over here it's all the details that we see from the grass that it makes. It really looks cool. Also, don't mind the comments here. I don't understand what they're saying, but don't mind these. But yeah, those elephants are pretty cool, and you also see less details here, but over here you see a lot of details from before. Imagine if we come closer, we will see everything. They once look at AI. Oh, this one is a person who actually stands to the side of that bear. It really looks cool. Imagine the touching of the grass. It must have been really weird at the touching, but this thing looks pretty cool. And we see other bears in the back, so that's awesome. The real life here really looks cool. We see the paws, we see the nose, the eyes, the ears. Very well done. Also, that doesn't mean that the whole thing is in grass. Just like this thing really looks awesome. You will see they took their time to do this, and the green part really makes it look more natural than just a sculpture. Oh my god. Over here it's actually very out of the box. They have actually decided to put flowers on this, which makes it look even more natural. It looks more closer to nature than just the whole grass. And the white parts and the pinks really stands out the green, and it really looks awesome. Here's another example. I think it's the same one. No, it's not the same, but you see those are white flowers actually. It actually looks pretty cool. We see another bush of flowers around here, which really makes it look awesome. The fact there is another pattern here really stands out that it's the fur of the other chest, which is pretty awesome. Oh my god. Just look at this one. This one is really more close to nature because you see there's a tree that has some flowers that are similar to those, and then we see this bird with this on around. Really makes it look awesome. The place that you put them also puts the vibe too. Wait. Oh my god. It's a bird in a tree. I think it's that tree. And the tail is all with sunflowers. Really cool. Grass art does not have to be grass all over. As you can see, you can put them in different places to make it look like it's all grass. Which makes it look a lot better. Now I'm going to go back, and then I can see more green sculptures. Here you go. A squirrel. Really awesome. It looks pretty cool. So you see that it looks like it's real grass. I don't know if it was a bush of grass and they cut the grass to make it look like this. It's a different technique too. You can have like a bush of just grass and nothing more. You can cut the grass and then it does the art. I think this is what it is for this one, because it looks like real grass here. You see, it is very real like. Oh my god. A shoe tree. Awesome. And it's Nike? Yeah, it's Nike. Awesome. I never thought that I would see a Nike shoe as a grass art. Awesome. Really thinking of the box, this guy. I'm giving it a shot. I actually saw this before I recorded the video, but damn. This one looks pretty cool. A piano in a grass form. Very awesome. And I bet this thing is like a very old piano thing that they found and they decided to put on this. Okay. We're thinking out of the box with this one. A train as a green art. Oh my god. Really thinking of the box. And the relief that you see here, the 3D thing, makes it look even better. Now I'm gonna put this into garden. Since it's technically nature, I'm going to put them at the same album as garden in the real life styles, which is a album that relates to Steinerverse, a project I did back in March 2024, which is last year. Oh, a truck. Pretty cool. Gonna put this into garden, and this will pretty much be the last one. So all of that said, let's get into the outro, because I don't want to look at everything, and get this video too long. So all of that said, let's get into the outro.